Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for the unboxing of the Halloween limited edition box. This one's going to be super fun, but there are a ton of changes this month. So I really need you to pay attention so I can emphasize those changes. You will also see previews of these on Crafting with Shay and Katie with Diamonds and Washi. So take a look at their videos as well. Now, there are two boxes in front of me, and normally you see one. Well, to make things easier, I am actually splitting up the listings. So you know how normally you can get the upgrade pen, and that's in the original listing? Well, the upgrade pen will be in its own listing already. So the box with the upgraded pen will have a listing, and what we call the basic box or basic pen box have its own listing. And there will be a little thumbnail, and it'll say basic pen box across it. It'll say upgrade pen box, so you know quickly by looking at the thumbnail which one to go to. And then of course there will be the minis. We've had the minis for a few months, so that's not changing, but this will kind of help you get a better idea of how these are going to play out. Now let's talk about what is in each one of these boxes, and then I will get to the breakdown later. Alright, so here it is, the Halloween box. Now every year the Halloween box is very popular, and as my shop has grown, they have gotten more popular. I will tell you, these sell out quickly every month, but the Halloween box has always sold out quickly. So I am doing 50 total full-size boxes. Now, not all 50 can get an upgrade pen. There are only a limited number of upgrade pens available. At this time, it is looking more likely that there will be 30 regular or basic pen boxes, 20 upgrade pen boxes, so that's still a good chunk, and then there will be 20 mini kits. Now I may adjust it and tweak it depending on, honestly, some comments below, because I am going to preview these 2 days before they launch. These will launch October 1st, 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. That is 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. Please get on a web browser, do not use the app, and then just hop on and look for the thumbnail. The thumbnail is what you want to see, that's most important. I may tweak the number counts though of each box. I'm kind of on the fence of how many I want to do, but we will go over them. So this month we are doing a pink and black theme because, well, I've never been a gal that does the traditional when it comes to Halloween. Orange and black is just not for me. So let's get started. First of all, we have 4 limited edition scents. I know every month I say I won't do it again, and then here we are. So let's just accept it. But we've got some really fun glitter labels, and I am going to love these scents. We'll talk about the scents later though. So move those out of the way. Same thing, you can get up to 4 putties. Now you will notice when you go to buy them this time, because there is no option to add an upgrade pen, we're going to add like a few tweaks, but basically one thing you will notice is because it used to say basic box, premium box, ultimate, ultimate plus, and that got confusing. So you will notice now it says 1 putty, 2 putties, 3 putties, or all putties. It'll also say 1 putty wax, 2 putty wax, you get the gist. But if you click that, say you say 1 putty wax, and you pick witching hour, you get 1 wax and putty in this. If you just say 1 putty and pick witching hour, you just get this 1 putty. So that will kind of take away some of the confusion. And then if you say all of them, that means you get all 4 scents, all 4 limited edition putties, and waxes. So that is a big change that I need to emphasize. So we'll get into what these look like in a minute. Again, glittery labels, because I can't help myself. I've become a sucker for packaging. Alright, so let's talk about some of the goodies. Every box will have a black and white washi tape. The design will vary. It'll also have a pink, black, and white sticker, because theme, of course. You're my boo. And then this is the limited edition cover minder. This will also come in both boxes. So everything you see here comes in both boxes. It'll be the pen that's the difference, but this is our little bat gal. Again, they have these nice strong magnets. You may notice we have smaller magnets now. This was actually a request. I had a lot of requests because these are so thick and heavy as it is. The other magnets are too bulky. So we're going to try these out. Try out these little guys and see if we like them. They are just as strong though. What it is they aren't as wide, but they're a little thicker, and yeah, they're strong enough that I can stack 10 of these and pick up the whole pack by one of them. So don't worry about that. Now, the drills. So I wanted to go with some crystals, so we did some pink pearl crystal drills here in square, and then some 310s, that's black square crystals. Just thought it'd be fun. The tray. So we're having a lot of fun customizing trays. As you can see, we're on a bat theme, but this is a collaboration with Creations by LAP. So we did white and pink bats, and then of course there are pink lines inside. The tray is actually black glitter. So it's a really fun tray. I had a lot of fun like just collaborating on these every month. We're already working on November, and it's like every month there's pressure to now one-up it. So I'm like, what are we gonna do for November? But yeah, this is the Halloween tray, so it's really cute. Now this is the basic pen box, but this pen is not that basic. It is freaking adorable. It has purple, green, pink, and all this black glitter. It does come with a metal single placer already and this little multi-placer in the pen. So you can, of course, I always hate pulling these little guys out, but these are twist-in tips. So you will be twisting them in and out. These will automatically come with your basic pen, okay? So just keep that in mind. So if you get the basic pen box, you're getting this with the 2 metal tips. Now, of course the jets fly by. I'm just going to show you. This is the upgrade pen box. Again, everything is the same. You know, the washi tape will vary, like this one has some black cats on it, but everything else is the same. It's just you get an upgrade pen. So what is the upgrade pen? Now these are made in collaboration with Shimmering Canvases, and this is the upgrade pen that you can snag this month. Again, we're going with the pink and black, and we've got little bats here on the center. She always makes a really good like ergonomic design. I really like the way her pens are. These ones are really nice and lightweight too. They're not heavy. Sometimes they can get heavy, but this one's nice and light. But yeah, you can see like all the glitter. Now each one will vary a little bit with how the glitter goes, but I mean it'll be still very close. If I had them all lined up to one another, you would still see the difference. And then of course our little bat guys just hanging out there. So that is the upgrade pen. So let me lay it all out for you, because like I said, you'll just see the basic pen box and then you'll see the upgrade pen box. And I think it'll also make it easier because I've noticed when people go to buy, they kind of rush because obviously these sell out quick, so they're like, oh, I gotta hurry. And then I'll get a message like, oh shoot, I wanted the upgrade and it's gone and it's too late. So I think this will help because it's literally got its own little listing just for that. Okay, so this is the basic pen box, basic pen. If you go with the upgrade pen box, that's what gets swapped out. You get the upgrade pen. But it all goes together, so all of these are the same. Now, you're probably like, okay, well then what the heck is the mini? The mini just takes away the tray, weep, and leaves you with this right here. So you will automatically get the upgrade pen, because a lot of times people just want the pen. They don't necessarily want the tray, because I get it. We only have so much storage space, and not everyone wants a bunch of trays. But you'll get everything else. So you'll still get your washi tape, your sticker, your cover minder, your drills, but you'll just get the upgraded pen automatically in the price. I am debating if I will allow the basic pen into the minis, so then you could decide if if you want to upgrade. I just don't want to confuse people because we're already making a rather big change by having 3 listings up there. So I am on the fence with that one. Now, let us talk about our limited edition scents. First of all, these pink glitter labels have me all sorts of giddy. But we have Witching Hour. And as you can see, we are going to have a lot of fun. They're all pumpkin shapes, and this one is got a little bit of a spice to it. There will be full descriptions though in the listings, so don't you worry about that. Paranormal Delight. Do you want to guess what that one is? Pears. All pears. All right. So this pumpkin as well, and it's got like this pear and then like some spice to it, but it's really good. But yeah, everything's going to be pumpkin shaped. If you accidentally get a heart, that's just because we're belting them out like crazy and went oopsie, but everything should be pumpkin shaped right down to all of our other ones for the month. This is Magic Hour. Oh, I like this one too. Again, it's a little bit of a fruity one. So we do have some like fruity ones this month. Witching Hour is like more of a spicy, whereas these guys are fruity. And then there's Haunt Mess. But again, I don't know, these names crack me up. So this one is like my favorite. Haunt Mess is my favorite. It's really fruity and fresh. Sorry, our pumpkins are going to get warped every now and then. We can only do so much here. We're doing our best, but it's really hard to shape these little pumpkin guys sometimes. So the same thing comes in the tins. Now all of my tins are, oh, don't worry about this little guy. Sometimes it pops out. It's actually protecting you from your wax moving around in transit, but all of my tins are full to the brim, like literally full to the brim. Look. Ooh, that one came across really good. So yeah, all of my tins are full to the brim. And sometimes you'll notice that my wax is not as strong smelling. Oh, that one, it's still, Haunt Mess is still my favorite, even in the wax. I love it. My wax is not meant to be as strong. Also, it does cook off. I am heating it with beeswax. Oh, that one still is good. I heat it with, it's beeswax that gets heated up with some rosin. So it does cook off, whereas the putty, it's literally straight up putty. Oh, that one smells good even there. But either way, you'll notice they're not as strong. But also my putties are not meant to be strong, so keep that in mind as well. Now as for color schemes, we have these colored, they will change. So what you see here, maybe in your batch it might not. We are doing 50 total full-size boxes, but like I said, anywhere from 10 to 15 minis. So we're talking 65 limited edition variations that you can snag. Now, do the math, 65 times 4 putties, because a lot of people end up getting all 4. It takes me a while to make them. So I had Katie emphasize this in her last video, and I'm going to emphasize this for this month especially. Now, these will ship by mid-month. That I can guarantee. But please, if you're buying this, do not expect it to come the week of, because while we have started on these batches already, because I know 65 times 4 is, well, a lot more than I want to even dream about. So we're already starting on these, but at the same time, we don't want to overproduce, because like if I make 200 putties, but not everyone wants this one, and I end up with 50 paranormal left over, that's not going to work for me. So we do have to kind of wait until everything sells out on the 1st and kind of get a full estimate, but we have started making enough to at least like be able to send out some. But keep that in mind. A big thing is these are not made until after the 1st. They sell out on the 1st. They sell quick. This box is going to sell quick. The Halloween box has sold every year since I started my store like 4 years ago. It has always sold out within an hour. And back then I used to do only 15 boxes. I've got the whole 65 packages, but because of the demand and every month they're always selling out 15 to 20 minutes in, This box is going to be gone probably within the hour as well, whether you get the full-size basic, full-size upgrade, or you go with a mini. So do log in right at launch time, but look at the thumbnails. Make sure, because I also am going to make sure on the mini, it says this is the mini bundle so that you don't confuse it with the others. So look at the thumbnail, look for the basic pen box, upgrade pen box, mini bundle box, and it'll be right there on the thumbnail with the picture, and I think that'll help. And then yeah, just make sure you hop on, because the best way to guarantee it is to get on at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you will get a box. If you get on at 8:05 a.m., you probably won't, because by the time you get on there and pick through your options, everyone else has already done that. And even with 65 options, the problem is like I said, they're going to be split into different listings, which will make it easier, because then those who want the upgrade pen aren't competing. You know, you guys are in your own listing, but it's still, people are adding stuff to their cart, and whoever hits checkout first gets it first. And there will be no mid-month drop. I did do that for September. However, it was chaotic. I'm releasing way too much as it is for Halloween. And actually, I have decided after trying the mid-month drop, we won't be doing that. Instead, I will actually just be doing bigger counts. In fact, if this goes well, then there will be 40 to 50 limited edition boxes from here on out. And Christmas, I may do again a whole total of 65. So keep that in mind. Definitely check out Katie's channel and Crafting with Shay for when they launch their videos. I am actually shipping these out to them today, so I'm filming this way early so that they can get these on time. God bless UPS and their 2-day shipping. But yeah, so keep in mind, you get the cute little cover minder gal. I had a name for her. Can't remember what I named her. You'll get your sticker and washi tape, as always, because why not? And then you can choose between your pens. No pressure. Granted, the upgrade pen does cost more. There's no way around it. These are custom made, literally custom made for my box. I mean, you can't get more custom than this. I had a bat theme, and I wanted pink and black. There you go. So it's going to cost more. Now, the basic pen boxes, unfortunately, have been getting a little more pricey. Nowhere near as pricey as the upgrade pen, obviously. But, you know, I've got this black glitter pen, the screw and metal tips, and it's just not getting cheaper. So there is that. And then, of course, you've got your drills, and then the tray. Oops, I lost one of the stoppers because you get 2 stopper options, but the tray. So I know some months the box will be a little bit more expensive, other months it's not. This month it'll be pretty comparable to last month, but the basic pen box will be slightly more expensive because this one was slightly more expensive due to the fact that it had the screw-in metal tips, which I hate that that's the reason, but it is. And then, of course, we did do crystal drills, which added to our costs. So yeah, I am going to be assembling all these boxes. So like I said, I am up in the air on official number counts. So keep in mind and track me on Instagram. I will keep you updated on there and say, guess what? X number of basic pen boxes are dropping once I sit down and finalize it. So that way you know, but for sure, at least anticipate that 30 will be basic pen boxes, 20 will be upgrade pen boxes, possibly more depending on how I feel about it. And I may, you know, do more upgrade pen boxes, or I may just do more minis, which is why I'm also asking for you to leave a comment below. What would you rather have? Would you rather have an upgrade pen with the tray this month, or just a mini where there's no tray? That'll actually help me decide how to break these up. So that's why I'm posting this early, to give you a little sneak peek. And plus it'll save me some sanity. So yeah, thank you everyone for checking out the Halloween box. Super excited. I hope the changes I'm making and the new listings will make it easier. And I'm super excited. The November box, we're already underway. We're actually behind because we spent a lot of time on this one. But yeah. Let me know if you have questions below, and until next time, take care. Bye now.